Get in system thread exception not handled blue screen in Windows 11. It's usually caused by bad driver. So we'll start with the safe mode, identify the problem, repair Windows, and then return to normal startup. First, check the blue screen for the driver file ending in .sys, such as nvlddmkm.sys or twlane.sys, idkmdn64sys. These file names can tell you which driver may causing the crash. If your Windows starts normally and you can reach the desktop, don't enter the safe mode yet, and then continue with the driver and Windows repair steps we're gonna discuss in this video later. If your Windows can't reach the desktop, keeps restarting, or shows blue screen repeatedly, that's when you should use safe mode. First, you just restart your computer for several times using physical power button until it get into the recovery mode. Now here just select Troubleshoot, then go to Advanced Options, then go to Startup Settings. Now click on Restart. Now in the screen, simply press F4 to get into safe mode. Put a password, hit enter. In safe mode, Windows start with only the basic drivers and services. Once you are inside the safe mode, open Device Manager. Just press Windows X, select Device Manager, look for the hardware related to the driver shown in the below screen. Select the item, right click on it, go to Properties, and then click on Driver. If the problem started after a driver update, select Rollback if available. Otherwise, uninstall the problematic device driver and restart your Windows. For graphics, Wi-Fi, chipset, and storage driver, download the correct driver directly from PC, motherboard, or hardware manufacturer's website. After fixing or removing unexpected driver, restart your PC normally. Don't stay in safe mode unless you need it for further troubleshooting. If Windows now starts normally without the blue screen, continue with the next step. Press Ctrl X again, select Terminal as admin, and now type this command: DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health, and press enter. Let it finish completely. Now run this command: SFC space / scan now, and press enter. Wait until the screen reaches 100%. When it's completed, just close it and just restart the computer. If the blue screen still continues, click on Windows button and search for Windows Memory Diagnostic. Just open it. Select Restart Now and check for problems. Your computer will restart and then run the diagnostic. If the problem started after recent driver, Windows update, or software installation, use System Restore Point. Again, click on Start menu and search for Create a Restore Point. Here it is, open it. Open System Restore Point and select the restore point before the problem started. Follow the instructions and restart your PC. If system thread exception not handled continues after driver troubleshooting, system file repair, and memory testing, this could be a deeper driver conflict, corrupted Windows installation, faulty RAM, or other hardware. Backup your important files before using advanced Windows recovery options or reinstalling Windows. That's how to troubleshoot system thread exception not handled in Windows 11. If this step fixed your blue screen, subscribe for Tech Sudama Lab, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.